The high-speed sneezes, faster than you think. A sneeze might feel like a minor inconvenience, but did you know it's a high-speed bodily function? Sneezes can travel at a speed of up to 100 miles per hour. That's faster than cars on most highways. Bless you, and fasten your seatbelts because when you sneeze, you're launching a high-speed projectile. Next time, give your sneezes the respect they deserve for their sheer speed. Got a thought or a fun fact of your own to share? Drop it in the comments below and let's keep the conversation going. You never know who you might surprise or inspire.